Gondor pork skinning machine. Overall stainless steel design. Accurate machine structure. Double protection security upgrade. Adjustable pigskin thickness 0.5 to 6 mm. High-speed cutting, doubled efficiency. Food-grade material. Materials are firmly fixed. Put the cut pork on the operating platform. Smooth operation and low noise. Get the skinless pork. Suitable for pork with different fat and lean ratios. Adjustable peeling thickness. Precision cutting guaranteed. Large and small pieces of meat can be processed.